Molly. What are you doing?
Hi, Ollie. I'm making a list of shops in our town for homework.
Oh, that sounds fun. What shops did you write down?
Well, first I wrote the supermarket. I go there with my mom every weekend.
Me too. I love going to the supermarket. There are so many things to buy: fruits, snacks, and ice cream.
Yes, then I wrote the bakery. Their bread and cakes are so good.
Oh, I love the bakery. I always buy chocolate croissants there.
Me too. Next is the butcher's shop. My dad buys meat there every Saturday.
Oh yes, the butcher's is important. My family gets chicken and sausages there.
And I wrote the book shop too. I love reading stories.
Same. The bookshop has so many nice books. I want to buy a new comic book soon.
Then there's the clothes shop. My mom bought me a new jacket last week.
Really? I like the clothes shop. I want new jeans and a t-shirt.
Oh, and don't forget the toy shop. It's my favorite.
Me too. They have so many toys, dolls, cars, games. I could stay there forever.
Haha, me too. I also wrote the shoe shop. I need new sneakers.
I got new boots last month from the shoe shop.
And look, there's a pharmacy. We go there when someone is sick.
Yes, the pharmacy is very important. They have medicine, vitamins, and even some toys.
There's also the pet shop. I love looking at the animals there.
Yes, I saw a cute puppy last time. I wish I could have a pet.
Me too. I also added the flower shop. My mom loves flowers.
Oh, mine too. She buys flowers every Sunday for our house.
And what about the sports shop? They have balls, bikes, and sports clothes.
Yes, I want a new football from there.
Our town has so many nice shops.
Yes, it's great. Shopping is so much fun.
Let's go to the toy shop this weekend.
Great idea.